Blue Lagoon, brick from Iceland. Punching bags like I'm Tyson. Red bone, mighty fight.
What's going on today, everybody? I'm out here on Lake Winnebago on the shore. We got mayflies everywhere, man. I mean, they're swarming around my head. I don't even know if you guys can see them. They are everywhere. This is crazy. What I'm gonna be doing in today's video is tying on a Wolf River rig, also known as a three-way rig, and I'm gonna show you guys how to cast it and how to use it in a river. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm hoping it's not too windy on this side of the shore, but the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and tie on a three-way swivel. It's the first thing you want to do. So step one is done here. We got our three-way swivel tied on. Okay guys, so step number 2 here, you want to cut about maybe I would say about a foot long of a leader. Once you got your leader, it's approximately a foot long, close enough. What you want to do is you want to tie your weight to this string. Alright, now we want to tie our weight to our three-way swivel to one of the loops. Trim the ends off. Okay, so now what we're left with here is our three-way swivel with one end tied onto our pole and one end tied onto our weight here. Now the third and final step, you want to cut another leader line, and this one is going to be somewhere between 4 and 5 feet long. The longer the better usually. Okay, so step 3, you want to tie our 4 to 5 foot leader line onto our swivel here. Clip the ends off. Okay, so now you got your 4 to 5 foot leader on, and this is going to be what you tie your fly onto. So today I'm going to tie on a red fly. Once again, snip the ends off, and we are good to go. Now normally I would put like a minnow on a fly, but I unfortunately do not have any minnows with me today. Okay guys, I don't know how well you can see this, but essentially this is what you end up with. You got your three-way swivel out here. You got your maybe 6 to 8 inches to your weight, and then you have about a 4 to 5 foot leader with a fly on there. Okay, so now I'm going to explain how to cast it and how to fish it. The river is moving this way here, so the water is flowing this way. What you want to do is you want to cast down river. You want to cast the way that the current is flowing, and all you want to do is just give it a couple pops, just like you'll feel your sinker bounce off the bottom. You want to be pulling it into the current, otherwise your sinker is just going to float right back at you. So you want to be pulling it into the current, and what I do is sometimes I just give it a quick little pop and let the sinker hit the ground again. Just another pop, let the sinker hit the ground again. Pop. You can feel it. You can feel it every time it hits the ground. Sometimes I do just a real slow drag, and then a little reel, and then you can drag it. That works too. But the best method that I found is to just give it a couple little pops, just real quick, not long ones, just pop. Pop. Usually works really good with a minnow on there. This is good for white bass. It catches walleyes. But basically all you're doing is picking up that little sinker and setting it back on the ground, essentially. Pop, set the sinker back down. Pop, set it back down. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you're always pulling into the current. Well guys, that is how you tie up and fish a three-way Wolf River rig. I know I didn't catch any fish in this video because I just wanted to do a little demonstration quick, but I do have some white bass videos of me using the same exact setup, and I catch fish back to back. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'm gonna leave a link up here. And other than that, man, if you like my video, if I taught you anything, let me know, and hit the thumbs up button for me. I appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go smash the red subscribe button down in the corner and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.
Sipping hot tech, Miss Milwaukee. Keep my pimpin' like Mr. Miyagi. Foreign Italy.